Everyone. We have been having a wonderful week of mild, warmer than usual November weather. But it's about to change. And I found this column that I wrote back in November 1985 that I'm afraid to say suits the change. It is called When a Cold Wind Blows. Some things I've heard on the radio lately have sent chills up and down my spine. Clouds will be increasing from the south and west today, they said. There's a chance of snow accumulating in the north. Snow will be mixed with rain in the central section. This weekend will be cold in the mid 20s and very windy, gusting to 30 miles an hour. That was back in 1985. Brr, my blood's too thin for a normal Wisconsin winter, and just the prospect of a below normal winter sets my teeth to chattering. Children have a different outlook on winter. If they could regulate snow, they'd have sledding in September. I felt the same way once upon a time, waiting and watching out the window for the first snowflake of the year to fall, pulling out my sled when all there was to slide on was a muddy driveway. After our kids heard the above weather forecast, they danced around the house. Where's my snowsuit, Mom? Where's my boots? Where's my mitts? Can you get the sleds down from the garage rafters? I covered my ears and walked over to my sewing machine where I could work on my never-ending supply of clothes that need patching. On top of my mending pile was a frazzled bathing suit and 3 pairs of ripped shorts. Question: should I sew the summer clothes or pack them away and work on the torn winter clothing I packed away last May? I never quite catch up on the seasons. The kids' enthusiasm was torture. I don't want winter yet. All parents get with winter are slippery roads, dead batteries, frozen water pipes, tons of mismatched mittens, and racks of drying winter apparel. Who needs winter? Not I. Not yet, anyway. Before winter dumps on us full force, we have to unstick our combine from fall's overabundant mud and finish our harvest. Snow right now would only add to our growing list of farm problems. Today, the weather broadcasters are reciting their chilling forecast over and over, but I'm not going to listen to them. No, I'm not. I'll just wait for the weather without the prophet's foreboding. When it does arrive, I'll adapt. What else can I do? There isn't much chance that we'll be moving to Hawaii for this season of cold. By January, the same forecast will affect me differently. It will sound balmy. Then, yes, compared to below zero weather that we might have. I do have to admit that I enjoy one winter sport. That's cross-country skiing, but only after my blood thickens to its proper winter consistency. Until that time, when I am winterized, all I can do is shiver. Well, there you have it. I know we've had 70-degree temperatures all week and into tomorrow, and then it's going to change. And we're going to get back to normal November, or even below normal temps for November. What can you do? You can't control the weather. I hope to be able to enjoy some winter. We'll see how things go. And I hope you can enjoy whatever weather is coming your way. Until next time.